presence of the horticulture side of things was significant. There were government agencies, community groups, and individuals doing their thing in not only showcasing the variety of cut flowers and potted plants produced by them, but also exposing the potential economic value of the unexploited floriculture industry in PNG. For the first time, a new development in the Makam Valley was brought to the show as well, which is a joint venture initiative between Aligned Energy and Oil Sets.
The PNG Biomass Project is all about establishing commercial plantations to generate electricity for Papua New Guinea use. To date, we've spent 2 years up the Makam Valley establishing trials in cooperation with customary landowners to determine which species would be the best to provide the energy required for Papua New Guinea for the long-term future.
Land access has been critical for its success, and we've been well supported from Harab all the way up to Waterise. But I'm appealing to the landowners that we need more land for the sustainable project and for the future of our generation, our children. Land ownership is critical, and allocation of land for this sustainable project.